Hello, this is GrantsAutoSpa.com. Today we're going to compound and wax out this Snap-on truck. As you can see, it has little to no shine on the finish. It's really oxidized. So just going to show you the great level of detailing we can do for you also. Very little shine. Here's a quick before video. GrantsAutoSpa.com. This is the after results of the Snap-on Tools truck that we totally compounded and polished it out. It had little to no shine on it. It was totally oxidized. As you can see, it does have a very nice shine now. This is just some of the things that we can do at GrantsAutoSpa.com. Thank you for viewing.